origin, Philippines in Mindanao. I'm from the Pitan City, far from Manila. Our capital, what's it? Capital city, Manila, is far from Mindanao. It travels 1 and 45 minutes in a plane. Sure, why not? Walang magbabag. Stop, I love you much better. What's wow? You love my hair? Long hair. No comb. Hello, Migueleto. And sa kaulit lol, gawin natin yung bubong mo. Gawin mo bubong ko. Hindi ka man nag-ano. Sa Mindanao, yun, sira pa rin kasi hindi pa ako nakasahod. Oh, yan. Hindi ako makapag-aircon. Muhammad. I will delete the bad comment, guys. Sorry. By 42 episodes of you, I feel like giving a hug. I'm 42. Dito sa Mindanao, maganda yung pawis-pawis lol. Pawis-pawis lol. Pa-repair mo na yung bubong ko. Pawis-pawis pag wala. May electric pa naman. At saka, hindi naman ako nag-aircon na ako pag summer kasi ang mahal kaya ng kuryente. Expensive one. Electric bill. And I come and see you. Sure, why not? You meet your idolized queen or princess. Mas sexy ka yung yun ang pagpapawis. My kid is out. He's playing his phone. He's already wake up. It's not around here. He get up already because it's already 6:16 in the morning. 6:16. Want to be my girlfriend. Wala. Wala nga kung meron dito. Kita mo dito. Wala kung merong lalaki, hindi na mapapayag yung mag-live, diba? Have my baby for me. Oh my God. Wala pa rin kasi kung siguro lang nagkakagusto pero yung nagkakagusto ayaw ko naman. Will you marry me? I haven't seen you yet. Siguro gigil na gigil ka na. Well, I don't know. Hindi naman ako libog na libog ko ganyan. Ang iniisip ko is yung future ng anak ko. Hindi ako basta-basta pumapatol sa lalaki na super bad. I feel like do check your phone and see my message. Wait, later. After just watch live first.